Hello everyone, welcome to PT Reading Filling the Blanks Real Exam Question Series, question number 60, video number 60. It means that we have already covered 59 real PT RFIB questions जो students को exam में आए भी हैं. Along with that, we have discussed the tips and the strategies which you guys can use to solve them. So let's get started. First things first, that now PT is accepted in the UK. So if you want to study, work or settle in UK, you can do it through PT, and 90% of universities in Canada now accept PT academic. By now you would know that my name is Bharat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT. What does it mean? It means that I know the right skills, strategies, tips and hacks which can help you to achieve your target score, and we post such videos on a regular basis, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel because it will be very useful for you. Now coming to the today's topic, which is PT reading. It is of 32 to 41 minutes and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks. It has the 5 question types, and reading filling the blanks is the second last question in this series in this order. So they are always going to come after reorder paragraphs, and these are very important. Why? These will fetch you 15 marks in reading module. So if you are getting 5 reading filling the blanks, so they will be of 3 marks each, and especially if your target is 7 bands or 8 bands or more than 8 bands, you need to make sure that you are following our strategies to solve reading filling the blanks correctly. And what is our strategy? The first thing which we say is the time management. You cannot spend more than 2 or 2.5 minutes on one reading filling the blank. And in that 2.5 minutes, can you read all the words? Can you understand their meaning? The answer is no. You cannot do it. So what's the right strategy? The right strategy is to do the skimming. And we teach our students how to skim it quickly in institute as well as online coachings. Now this is today's topic. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this and then we are going to discuss it. Okay, so you know that the first thing we do is skimming to understand the gist, किस बारे में बात हो रही है, overall idea, then to know the tone, positive है, negative है, neutral है और academic tone है, along with the tenses, right? Past tense है, future tense है या present tense की बात हो रही है. So let's quickly skim it. The wool market was extremely important to the English medieval economy, and wool dash the market export trade from the late 13th century to its dash in the late 15th century. Wool was at the forefront of the establishment of England as a European dash and economic power, and this volume is the first study of wool market, investigates in detail scope and of advance something for the sale of wool. The pricing structures and market efficiency of the agreements are examined, dash practices from the modern finance. Okay, so wool के बारे में बात हो रही है, पुराने टाइम में कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट थी वूल मार्केट, वूल इकोनॉमी, राइट? सो उसके बारे में बात हो रही है, राइट? Second thing now we will do is parts of speech classification of these options. Very important because we solve on the basis of grammar hacks and tips, and knowing which word is belongs to which part of speech is very important. So contracts क्या होते हैं? Noun and plural. Possess, किसी चीज को possess करना, लेना. Verb. Political situation, political scenario, political freedom. So it's going to be adjective. Desire, किसी चीज की desire होना. So noun और verb दोनों की तरह ये use हो सकता है. Decline, verb, कि कोई चीज decline कर रही है. Employing, verb plus ing. Dominated, verb of past tense, dominate, so it's a verb. Suburb is going to be your noun. Straight, you can consider it as straight as a noun or preposition. It can be used as an adjective also, like straight person, straight talk, right? So once we have done it, now let's see the first blank. अब जो wool market was extremely important, right? लेट 13th सेंचुरी की बात हो रही है, तो यहाँ पे किस चीज की बात हो रही है? पास्ट की। और पास्ट में सबसे कॉमन क्या होता है? ईडीज की फॉर्म। अब इसमें हमारे पास कितने ईडीज हैं? व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी आर गोइंग टू यूज प्रोसेस ऑफ एलिमिनेशन टू एलिमिनेट ऑल द रॉन्ग ऑप्शंस. So we do not have a lot of EDs, so we have just one ED. We are going to eliminate all the wrong options and we are just left with this one option. So answer for this one is straightforward कि wool dominated the English export trade. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the next blank. अब dominate कर रहा है from से लेके to तक. तो फ्रॉम से लेके टू इट्स क्या होगा? फ्रॉम में क्या होती है चीज? स्टार्ट होती है. टू में क्या होती है? फिनिश होती है, राइट? सो इसमें फिनिश का क्या सिनोनिम अवेलेबल है? डिक्लाइन, राइट? सो पहले एक चीज शुरू होती है, टू में आप वो डिक्लाइनिंग फेज में होती है, तभी तो फ्रॉम से लेके टू में लिखते हैं. ओके, फिनिशिंग स्टेज में है. So the answer for this one is going to be decline in the late 15th century. Alright, so I hope this is clear. Moving on to the next blank. So अब यहाँ पे यूरोपियन है, right? यूरोपियन के बाद डैश है और डैश के बाद क्या है? एंड है. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या है? इकोनॉमिक पावर. इकोनॉमिक पावर क्या है? इकोनॉमिक आपका एडजेक्टिव है. पावर क्या है? नाउन है. सो नाउ यू नो एंड कंसेप्ट ऑफ एंड, जहाँ पे हम पैरेललिज्म की बात करते हैं. व्हाट इज पैरेललिज्म? अब एंड के बाद अगर आपका एडजेक्टिव है तो एंड से पहले भी क्या होगा? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आंसर में? एडजेक्टिव. Now we are going to use process of elimination to eliminate everything except adjective. So contracts eliminate हो जाएगा, possess eliminate हो जाएगा, desire, employing, suburb, straight. So we are just left with one adjective which is political. So we are going to put answer over here as political. Okay, इतना पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं होती, समझने की जरूरत नहीं होती. You just have to go with the grammar rules. अब advance something. Okay, scale and scope of advance something for the sale of wool. अब एडवांस क्या है? एक तरह से आपका एडजेक्टिव यूज हो सकता है, एडवांस देना किसी को, एडवांस. अब उसके बाद एडजेक्टिव के बाद क्या यूज होगा? नाउन यूज होगा. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज वी कैन एलिमिनेट एवरीथिंग एक्सेप्ट आवर नाउन्स. ओके, सो वी आर जस्ट कीपिंग दीज थ्री पॉसिबल आंसर्स. लाइक एडवांस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स होगा, एडवांस डिजायर होगा, एडवांस सबब. सबब तो नहीं हो सकता. सो यू आर लेफ्ट विद दीज टू, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड डिजायर. ओके, सेल से रिलेटेड क्या होगा? वूल ऑफ सेल की डिजायर होगी या उसके कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन होंगे? उसके कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन होंगे. सो द आंसर फॉर दिस वन इज गोइंग टू बी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द लास्ट ब्लैंक. ओके, the pricing structures and market efficiency of the agreements are examined dash practices from modern finance. Modern finance की practices क्या use होंगी? Using practices, right? Example. So अब use का synonym यहाँ पे क्या available है? Use का synonym यहाँ पे available है employing, right? So employing practices from modern finance. So we are going to use this blank's answer as employing. Now let's see if all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. So you see, if you know the right strategies, methods, you can easily solve your reading blanks. What are our strategies? Our strategies are based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, we go for skimming, forward reading, backward reading, tone analysis. For lexical resource, collocations, we have a huge list of collocations for our students. Phrasal verbs, another important topic, as well as vocabulary. Vocabulary is something which we develop with time, and we have a complete grammar course for our students. That grammar course is going to help you in reading as well as in your listening as well as in writing. In that grammar course, we teach our students parts of speech. You have seen the importance, then subject verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, British English rules and sentences. and you just have 2 or 2.5 minutes, and you need to manage those 2 minutes also. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you have to skim the content, do parts of speech classification. In next 90 to 120 seconds, you are going to use process of elimination and apply our reading grammar hacks and strategies to solve those blanks. And remember, all the strategies which we teach are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in the ticker below. You can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. And these are some of our success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82, and 81. So if you have any question, any doubt regarding PT, or if you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching, you can contact us at 8699 121 121. And do subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.